All right, so here is the parada. You see my Collectivo there. I made all the way to Pisaq. It cost me less than $10 to get here from Urubamba. I already had my tourist ticket from Cusco, and they scanned the QR code in that little kiosk or shack, if you will. And now I'm gonna try to check out this wonderful archaeological site. Walking up towards some interesting features, even in that hillside. Appears to be caves that have been adorned with some adobe walls. And there's even more up toward the peak of some stoneworks. And there's some pretty massive terraces here too. Yep, it is certainly raining while I'm here. You see I'm standing on some terraces. There's a cleansing ritual going down there. You see some even older, more primitive looking terraces, as well as what appears to be potential habitations along the mountainside in the caves with adobe walls. Kind of like pueblos maybe, or different. And there's some more up there. Hopefully I'm not going to get too wet in this venture, but hey, I'm here and I'm going to seize the moment. This place has a nearly fortress-like feeling from this approach. The odds would not be in your favor trying to cross beneath this under hostile conditions to get over there. And from this vantage point, you can see that they made the best use of all the existing caves and crevices and added adobe and stone walls to make them more habitable or useful. I skipped the Miradora, or the, oh God, that was funny, or rather the viewpoint, because it's so cloudy and there looked like there was clouds on the peak. But this is a great vantage point near the top of Pisa. You can see there was an enormous number of people here in antiquity, and they left some great stoneworks and even adobe that still exist. And as you can see, the fog is really setting in, and I need to make it back over there and catch my taxi. It looks like the views are over. Still raining along my walk back to the taxi. Oh, it would be even more beautiful with blue skies, but this is pretty nice. For those of you who aren't minimalists or haven't dropped out of consumerism, there are many great gifts you can buy here. From chess sets to metalworks, all kinds of local crafts. You'll really love it. You might need a bigger house to put it all in at some point, but you'll love it. There's also food to be eaten here too. So I hope you enjoyed this view of Pisaq. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and comment if you enjoyed this content.